Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for November 8, 2025. Now let's explore what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 17 Uinal, and the 19 Kin. This long count holds the vibration of release and renewal. The number 19, closing the Kin, represents the point just before transition. It's the edge between what has been and what will become. It's the pause before rebirth, inviting stillness and trust. Specifically, 19 Kin is about the bridge between endings and new beginnings. It's the sacred threshold. You're being asked to release attachments or burdens that no longer serve your growth and to trust that endings are openings for transformation. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 8 Kimi. Kimi, also known as Simi, represents death, transition, and the eternal cycle of life. It teaches that death is not loss, but rather movement, a return to essence. The number 8 symbolizes balance and harmony between worlds, making this a day when the veil between realms thins and ancestral wisdom flows freely. This is a time to release what is heavy, forgive what has been, and open space for renewal. Kimi invites us to surrender control and to find peace in impermanence. Remember, transformation is not destruction, it's evolution. Through surrender, the soul regenerates. The ancestors stand close today, offering guidance and light for those who listen in stillness. Today you're being asked to honor cycles and to let go of outdated habits or beliefs. This is also a good day to connect with ancestors through prayer, meditation, or remembrance. Now, let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 14 Pop. Pop carries forward the organizing energy of Pop, but now stabilizes the transitions initiated by Kimi. The number 14 suggests structural adaptation. It's the reorganizing of your world after change. It's also the calm after the release, where inner order begins to rebuild. Remember, true order is found in rhythm, not rigidity. Today is a reminder to you to rebuild from the heart, shaping your outer life to reflect your inner truth. You're being asked to simplify, and to only focus on what truly matters. It's a time for daily peace and balance. It's also a good day to reorganize your personal space to reflect your new state of being. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Today, the collective experiences a wave of release. The old energetic skins are shedding, making way for a renewal of purpose and spirit. As a global energy, this is a quiet, yet powerful day of transformation, one that reminds us that endings are sacred. This is a day when the ancestors whisper guidance for the new cycle, forming beyond the veil. Now is a time to collectively honor the past with love and peace, and invite rebirth on both a personal and on a planetary level. You're being asked to support others through transitions or emotional releases. This is a day to manifest for peace and healing, honoring the sacred pause between cycles. Lastly, offer a remembrance or gratitude for our ancestors. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I release the past with grace and welcome rebirth with peace. I am guided by the wisdom of my ancestors. Thinking, Tao, Prong, So, Alkerpibrin Sing, Por Jao, Prong, Jao or Denny Justini. So Tao,